Hello, Chris from MyStampLady.com. I'm here with this Easter card with the Hello Easter set, and I'm also featuring the wood crate framelits. So this framelit set creates this fun little crate, and I've done the crate out of Pear Pizzazz, and it also, I'm using the Hello Easter to do the embellishing on the front here, and then I've also made it's perfect so that it will hold 2 of the Cadbury Cream Eggs. You could put whatever treats you want in there, but those 2 eggs fit in there really nicely. Okay, to start this, let's start with our wood crate. I need to cut out 2 of this die. This is what makes the base of the crate. So I'm going to put one here, and then after I've cut that out, I'm going to put the other crate die there. So I need to cut this out twice. Okay, so I have my 2 pieces of my wood crate. So now I am just folding the score lines here. I think I mentioned, but this is made from Pear Pizzazz cardstock, and I was able to cut 2 of them out of a 5.5 by 4.25 piece of cardstock. All of the cardstock sizes are listed on my website, MyStampLady.com. So there you can find all the cardstock sizes. You can also find all of the supplies I used either down below in the information if you're watching this on YouTube, or over on my website, so with links to find them in my online store. Okay, so now I have 2 of these little these pieces here to make my crate. I'm going to use some of the Tombow multi-adhesive, and we're going to put ink. I'm putting glue there, not ink. And let's see, we need to line this up. So I need to line this one up here. And notice that it does not line up with the top of my crate. So you need that space at the little top there that overhangs it at the top there. It doesn't quite line up. And then this piece will just tuck right inside and line up at the bottom. I don't like to put my adhesive on all the parts that are going to glue together at first because I already get glue enough places. So we're not going to do that. Okay, let's put some adhesive down here, and we'll go over and line that up. And now I just have these last little flaps here to glue down. So let's put my adhesive. And you don't need much of this adhesive. On the first side, I got a little too much, and that's why I was really getting it all over. So you want to be careful, just use it sparingly, because if you get too much, that's when it gets all over. But there is my little Pear Pizzazz wood crate. You could also do this out of the Wood Textures paper. It looks wonderful done out of that. Okay, so this is a photopolymer set, so I usually find that it works best to have a little cushion underneath, and I'm using my Stampin' Pierce pad to do that. So let's ink that egg up with the powder pink, and we'll just stamp that down onto Whisper White cardstock. Then we're going to do the bunny with the soft suede, and I need to leave room to put that circle around there. You don't want to put it too close to the edge. And now I need to do the sentiment, and we're doing that in Elegant Eggplant. So we'll do the Happy Easter, and this is just a 1/2 inch wide strip that I'm going to cut down afterwards. This is one of the wonderful benefits of doing it with photopolymer, is that you can see right where you're stamping. Okay, I have 2 of these little embellishments now from the stamp set, and on here I'm going to stamp some little circles. We're just going to add these to the little egg here. I have a little leaf that I will do in Pear Pizzazz, and it's okay if I overhang a little on the outside edges because I'm going to be cutting that down. But I am trying to get pretty centered in the egg between the lines. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do for embellishments there. I do need to cut this one out with scissors, so I'll quickly do that. Now with this, I'm going to cut the bunny, and I would like the bunny to kind of hang over to the left and to the top. And so I've got this from the Layering Circles dies, and then I'm cutting a scalloped mat for that. So I'm going to run these through the Big Shot. Okay, I put adhesive on the back. It's hard to see on this, so I'm going to move it to the white paper. And I'm just matting that with that Elegant Eggplant scalloped circle. And okay, here's my little basket. I want to put my egg like this, and I want it to kind of sit, but I want it even. So I'm just going to go across the bottom there and just snip that up. Okay, so we made it a little level on the bottom, and we're going to put some adhesive on there. And let's just mount that to the front. Okay, and now I have my egg, or my bunny to put down on the egg. Go. And my Happy Easter is just this strip, and it's a 1/2 inch wide, and then I'm just going to cut it down into 2 pieces and trim off any extra. And we will mount this to the front. I'm going to mount my bottom first, just to give me an idea then of where I would like to put the top. There we go. And we'll put that top one right there. We're going to finish this off with one of the little bitty bows. These come in the current in colors, so that's like Fresh Fig, Lemon Lime Twist, Powder Pink, Tranquil Tide, and Berry Burst. And we're just going to fit this off right on the front here. You can find the bunny and the Hello, so that's the Hello Easter. I'm going to move it over just a little bit. You can find that in our Occasions catalog. So this Hello Easter set is available in the Occasions catalog. The wood crate framelits and the bow, this is available in our annual catalog. But I have links to all of these in my online store on my website. Okay, so let's just take a little bit of Easter grass, put your treat in, and in this case it's a couple of these Cadbury Cream Eggs. Okay, I can make my Easter grass a little bit more contained. But there you have your little Easter crate treat with the eggs. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me, Chris, at mystamplady.com. And all of the sizes are on my website, mystamplady.com. And you can find all of the supplies in my online store at shopwithmystamplady.com. Thanks for watching.